Hi everyone, welcome back to Earth and Space. Today we are going to continue to learn more about the sun. So I hope you guys are ready. Here we go. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is the magnetic field of the sun. So the sun, is not as strong as Earth, but it does have a small area where it does reach up to 3,000 times the usual magnetic field. So during that little small area, the sun is super, super strong. These kinks and these twins in the magnetic field develop because the sun spins rapidly at the equator than at the higher latitude, because the inner parts of the sun rotate quicker than the surface. So you guys can all see a picture right there. It explains a little bit about the magnetic field throughout those ears. You guys can look how it looks different. Let's keep going, guys. The chemical composition. So what is this sun made of? Well, like other stars, the sun is made of mostly of hydrogen, followed by helium. It does have 7 other elements, guys. So it has oxygen, carbon, neon, iron, silicon, magnesium. It has all of those. For every 1,000 of hydrogen atoms, the sun has 98,000 of helium, 850 of oxygen, 360 of carbon, 120 of neon, 110 of nitrogen, 40 of magnesium, 35 of iron, and then 35 of silicon. So the sun is made of very, very different material altogether. Next, we're going to be learning about the sunspot. What is a sunspot? Well, a sunspot is a spot that appears from time to time on the surface of the Earth. It is very dark. You guys can all see a picture right there of a couple examples of the sunspots. What causes these? The magnetic field causes the sunspots to appear on the surface of the sun. So the sunspot and the rotation of the sun are linked together. Why? Because the sunspot actually help us figure out how and when the sun rotates. Why? Because when we measure the sunspot one day and you measure it the next day, you will tell that the sun has rotated, it has moved. So let me tell you guys all a story. So when I was in college, I actually had to do my experiment on the sunspot. So every day at the same time, I would use this little device that they had at school, and I would go out to the same spot and I would record the sunspot. The sunspot did move every day. There was days that it moved more, and there was days that it hardly moved. But each day I would go and I had to record it. It was very neat, very awesome to do. You notice the change right away. And if I can find you guys all a picture of the device I use, I will put it on the next slide. If not, then we're going to be moving to our assignment. Alrighty, everyone? Here we go. For your assignment, everyone, you guys are going to answer those 3 questions right there that are across the screen. As soon as you guys are done answering those, send those over to me to my email address. I hope you guys have an awesome, fantastic rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you guys all very, very soon. Bye, everyone.